Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you haven't recognized yet, it's me, I'm Hasti. By looking at my outfit today, I guess you know what's going to happen in this video. In today's video, we're going to cook. Something like that. After watching a bunch of daily vlog videos, I recognized something, and that's the fact everyone can cook except me. Why? You know, it's a fact that I hate cooking, but I guess I have to learn to cook a couple of items. So in today's video, we're going to cook pizza. Well, since we have a cafe in here, let's go and cook pizza. Gloves are so important. First things first, we're gonna make the dough. And the thing is, I think I'm going to need my father's help. Yes. Seriously, it's so difficult. How on earth? Thank you. I have no idea how to make the dough. I'm just trying to mix. Seriously, to mix the thing my father gave me, and I don't have any feeling in my hands anymore. We have to put it here, go and come back around 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Around 1 hour, so it's ready. That let's go.
1 hour later.
Okay, it's ready. Right now we have to make little balls of dough. To do that, first we put it and we try to.
Which you can.
It's small.
Which you can.
Again, it's still small.
What's up, coming?
Unbelievable.
Okay.
Okay, hang on. Seriously?
Okay, yes.
Yes! Well done. This is it! Yes! Don't even doubt that I made them all by myself. I did, yes. Right now we have to put it here and make it flat. Something like that. Oh my goodness.
All
Hey!
the time.
Oh! Oh wow! Oh, we have to put. I hope that. I have seen my father doing this, and I think that I'm ruining it. Good?
Good.
Finally! Okay, put it here. How am I? What? Oh, like this. Yes! Okay. We have to. Finally.
1 hour later.
Okay, let's go for the main part. First things first, gloves. We have the bread, which is a kind of like a half-baked dough. After that, we have to put the sauce, which is ketchup sauce. We use a brush for it. After this, we need cheese. Cheese. Now we want the. Guys, this is 4 types of bologna and jambon. I guess jambon is a French word, but the most similar thing that I found on the internet was ham. But I guess ham is made of pork. But when it comes to Muslims, you know, we can't eat pork, so of course it's not pork. Then put it. Okay, come. When it comes to Iranian pizzas, especially Yazdi pizzas, we put a lot of things into our pizza. And today I'm going to invent my own pizza, so I'm going to mix a lot of things. Here we have jambon and bologna. Let's put pepperoni. Here, what more? Bell pepper. A lot of bell pepper, please. Spice. Oh, I have to put it like this. Pepper. Let's add something corn and fresh beef. Oh my goodness, I wonder how it's going to taste. We can put meat or kitchen, did I say kitchen? Oh my goodness, chicken too. But I don't think that tastes good. Let's pray it tastes good. I'm gonna add cheese. Enough?
It is.
Enough.
Okay.
Mushroom? Good. Why? How on earth should I?
Okay.
We don't have barikalla in English. I can't translate that. The most difficult part is this one. Bell pepper. I don't know what you call it. In Persian we call it siyah tune or black seed. Seriously? What am I supposed to... I made a mess. Thank God it's over. Let's put it in the oven. Sweet first, sweet pudding. Here and bye. It's ready. It doesn't look bad. Okay, we got this. We have to put it here. Yes. Let's cut it. The last one. Yes! I made it. Bon appetit! Yes. Put a little bit of chips in the middle. Here it is. Alright, so our pizza is ready. It looks quite good. Let me taste one. In Iran, when we want to do something risky, we say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It tastes good. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. And we put the sauce. I don't know if we do that too, but in Iran we do it. So delicious. You have to taste it yourself. Okay, I'm going to give it to my mother and sister and father too, so they taste it too and give me their idea. But before that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and see you later. Bye.